Hello kids! Today we will learn about some amazing birds from around the world. Let's begin.
Eurasian coot.
The Eurasian coot is a black water bird with a white beak. It loves swimming in lakes and rivers.
Flamingo.
Flamingos are tall pink birds that stand on one leg. They get their pink color from the food they eat.
Australian magpie.
The Australian magpie is black and white. It is famous for its beautiful singing voice.
Swan.
Swans are large, elegant white birds. They are known for their long necks and graceful swimming.
Mandarin duck.
The Mandarin duck is very colorful. The male has bright orange, blue, and green feathers.
White stork.
The white stork is tall with long red legs and a red beak. It can fly very long distances.
Woodpecker.
Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to peck on trees. They look for insects hiding inside the wood.
Grey parrot.
The gray parrot is very smart and can copy human voices. It is one of the most intelligent birds.
Puffin.
Puffins are small seabirds with colorful beaks. They are also called sea parrots.
Bali starling.
The Bali starling is a rare white bird with a blue patch around its eyes. It is found only in Bali, Indonesia.
Canada goose.
Canada geese are large birds with black heads and long necks. They travel in big groups called flocks.
Harpy eagle.
The Harpy eagle is one of the strongest eagles in the world. It has very powerful claws.
European robin.
The European robin is a small bird with a red chest. It is friendly and often seen in gardens.
Cockatoo.
Cockatoos are white parrots with a big yellow crest. They are playful and love to make noise.
Great kiskadee.
The great kiskadee is a bright yellow bird with a black and white head. It sings a loud kiskadee call. That's all for today, kids. See you next time with more amazing birds. Bye-bye.